So this is my Tranquility clock from woodengearclocks.com. I'll put the link in the description. But I've had this for a few years and it works all right. It's been stopping today because it's a little hot in here. But that's the only problem I've ever really had with it, is when it gets real hot in the house, the thing will stop. Aside from that, like, it's a beautiful work of art, and you can use it to tell time. It's accurate within a few minutes per week. And it's so quiet. That's why I got it, because electric clocks bother me. Most of the time I don't even notice that. And when I do hear it, I kind of like it. It's not an annoying sound like an electric clock. And the only beef I really have with this clock is I picked bad colors. I like these darker wood tones, but I probably should have actually picked the pine for the background and like mahogany for the accent colors, because it is a little hard to read from across the room. But what a beautiful thing. And I bet anybody who's slightly handy could build this.